Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video for you to kind of give you a tutorial of how to use the learning modules that we'll be using for this course. So the first thing that will happen is I'm going to be sending you an email that will look something like this. It'll have your name and it will say your adaptive lesson is ready. It will also, this isn't the initial email, but I think actually if we go here, it'll look like this. Um, that's my dummy email account. But you'll get an email that looks like this, and it will give you the option to get started now. So you'll click there and follow the link. And then it will take you to a screen that will have your email address already in. You'll type in this temporary password. After you've logged in with that, it will ask you to create your own password, which you can then do. And then I'll show you what happens after that. Alright, and then after that, after you've created your own password, you should be taken to a screen that looks like this. Now this one is actually lesson 1.2. The reconstruction one is the first one, but I thought I'd use this one because I'm really proud of this opening screen here. So it'll look like this. This is just an opening screen. You don't have to do anything on it. And then you'll hit next. And that's how you get started. You just basically follow the screens. You'll read the information, do what it says. The next screen looks like this. Again, it's just information that you'll read through. It's interesting information though, so make sure you get it down. Next screen looks like this. And this one is very, very simple. There's not a lot to do here. And the next screen looks like this. Just information again. Alright, so this is when you actually start to need to do something. This one is a portion of a speech given by Chief Joseph, right? So you'll read through the speech, make sure you know it really well, because on the next page it will ask you to submit a short answer. Real simple, only 50 words, not a big deal. And you should get a word count here so you know how many words you've typed. What I would do though is I would type your answers for these short answer questions. I would type them up in a Word document and then copy and paste it in. Because sometimes these can be, a little finicky, and also if you do run into a problem, you have your answers saved. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Oh, you know what? It's not giving me the next one because I have to put an answer. So hold on one second. After I've submitted my answer, it takes me to the next screen. This one also has some questions. So you'll read through this and then answer the question here on the side. So let me go ahead and do that and show you what comes after. Okay, so I've submitted my answer. Then on the next screen, as you can see, this time you watch a video. I think it's about 13 minutes long. So you'll watch this video and then answer the question here next to it. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what comes after. So after you've finished that part, it'll take you to this screen, which I believe is the last one. And this one requires that you've read Patty Limerick's and Frederick Jackson Turner's articles. So read those and then answer the question here. And that's it. Again, it's I think it's only 50 words. Yeah, 50 words or more. So real simple. So that's basically how these modules work. Mostly just short answer questions and multiple choice. A few of the lessons have true or false in them. But yeah, this is it. Pretty simple, pretty basic. I thought it would be a little bit more engaging than reading a textbook. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy these. Good luck. Oh, and look for that email, which will have links to these two lessons. That should arrive to you sometime today.